Hi, my name is Andy DeBellis. I'm faculty in instructional design at Northland Pioneer College, and today we're going to go over Blackboard, our new learning management system at Northland Pioneer College. To start off, we're going to go over how to log into Blackboard. You can start out by going to mynpc.npc.edu or going directly to blackboard.npc.edu. If you're logging in from MyNPC, you'll navigate to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen and click on Blackboard. If you go directly to blackboard.npc.edu, you simply click the employee and student login. From there, you'll be directed to your Microsoft login, which requires your npc stu.npc.edu username and your long password. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the institution page. This page shows any new and upcoming updates from the college, as well as student resources such as how to access tutor.com, library services, and tech support. Moving down on the menu on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see an activity option. On the activity page, you'll be able to see a chronological list of all your upcoming due dates and deadlines, as well as any missed deadlines or due dates. Moving down, we have our courses option, which allows you to see all of your up and coming courses. You can filter to past, present, and future terms, or show all terms at once and see all available courses that you're able to access. Moving down, you have the option to view the calendar, which shows all of your up and coming due dates for all of your classes that are color-coded and can be viewed in a month or a day view. Additionally, you have the option to go to messages and message your instructor or classmates directly for any of your courses from this tab on the Blackboard landing page. Finally, you have the option to see all of your grades listed out for all of your courses in one location by going to that Grades tab. All right, let's go into a course now. So when you first enter a course page, you're able to see all of your content listed out on the homepage chronologically. At the top of the screen, you're able to navigate across the calendar, announcements, discussions, gradebook, messages, and groups. If we go into the calendar option, you are able to see all of the up-and-coming due dates and deadlines for the course for this specific course, unlike on the homepage, which allows you a view of all of your courses together. Moving across the top, we have the Announcements tabs, which allows you to see any announcements from your instructor. Moving on to Discussions, this shows all of what we formerly called forums in Moodle on your Blackboard page. The Discussions tab allows you to engage with the different forums or discussions throughout the semester and provides notifications when your classmates respond to you and to each other. Moving across that menu, we're also able to view the gradebook and see all of the items we've turned in so far and the grade we have to date. The next item we have is the Messages tab, which allows you to message your instructor and classmates directly from this platform. You simply hit the New Message button, type in their name, find them from the roster, and are able to send a message directly to them and only to them. And finally, if your instructor utilizes the Groups tab, this will show any groups that you've been assigned to for group projects. All right, that wraps up our overview of Blackboard. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to the Student Support Center at 928-524-7447.